Hi, I'm Justin with Dalinghaus Construction. If you've noticed sagging floors, musty odors, or cracks in your home, you might be dealing with crawlspace issues. In today's video, we'll explore the signs of crawlspace failure, what crawlspace repair entails, and how you can tackle these problems effectively. Let's get started. First, let's look at some signs that your crawlspace may be failing. Sagging floors, a musty odor in your home, wood rot in the crawlspace structures, increased humidity in your living space, higher energy bills, presence of wood-eating pests, allergies and respiratory problems, difficulty opening and closing doors and windows, bouncy floors, moisture accumulation, mold and condensation, rodent droppings, cracks in the walls, uneven floors. If you're noticing any of these signs, it's time to take action. But first, what exactly is a crawlspace? A crawlspace is a foundation type that raises your home from 1.5 to 3 feet off the ground. This space allows for easy access to plumbing and wiring. While popular before the 1960s, today many homeowners prefer slab-on-grade foundations. However, if you have a crawlspace, maintaining it is crucial. Now, how do we repair a crawlspace? Here are some of the common repair methods. Crawlspace jacks. If your home uses crawlspace jacks, when was the last time they were checked? They're essential for maintaining stability. Post and pad replacement. Compromised posts can lead to bouncy floors and wall cracks. Seismic retrofitting. Is your home secured in case of an earthquake? Stem wall repair. This involves fixing the supporting walls that connect the foundation to your home. Moisture control. Moisture is always bad in crawl spaces and can lead to extensive structural damage if not addressed. You might be tempted to tackle these repairs yourself, but here's why that's not often a good idea. It's a lot of work. Crawl space repairs require a crew with experience. Risk of improper repairs. Inexperience can lead to more damage. Safety hazards. Crawl spaces can contain mold, pests, and hazardous material. Always wear protective gear. By hiring a professional, you gain expertise and a warranty on the repairs. Our crawlspace repairs come with a lifetime transferable warranty on materials and labor. Now, you might be wondering about the cost. The average crawlspace jack installation ranges from $10,000 to $15,000 with a minimum project cost of $5,000 to cover both materials and labor. While it can seem steep, it's an investment in your home's safety. Letting crawlspace issues go unrepaired can lead to significant problems. Here are 3 major reasons to act quickly. Avoid remodeling first. If you renovate before addressing foundation issues, you'll end up with new damage that can ruin your investment. Selling complications. A home with foundation issues limits your buyers and can drop your selling price significantly. Ignoring the problem. Foundation issues don't fix themselves. They worsen over time and can lead to higher repair costs. If you've noticed any signs of crawlspace failure or need an inspection, don't hesitate to reach out. Click the Get Started link or call us at 877-360-9227 to schedule a free inspection. Remember, timely repairs can save you thousands in the long run. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more home maintenance tips. Until next time, keep your home safe and sound.